Hi students, today we are going to solve the numerical problems given in the textbook exercise, and the chapter name is Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. Now the first numerical problem: how many photons per second emanate from a 50 milliwatt laser of 640 nanometer? So from a laser source, some photons are coming. Their wavelength is 640 nanometer. So how many number of photons will come out? The given quantities I have rewritten. Power is equal to 50 milliwatts into 10 power minus 3 watt, and the lambda 640 into 10 power minus 9 meter for nanometer, and the total number of photons emitted per second n by t is also equal to small n. This small n value only we have to find out. Now first, what is the energy of one photon? The energy of one photon, okay, this is E is equal to h nu, and this also is equal to h c by lambda, where h is a Planck's constant and c is the velocity of light, lambda is the wavelength of the laser light. So this E is now equal to, the value of h is 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34, and the value of velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 640 into 10 power minus 9. So this is the energy of one photon in joule. So what is the energy of this n number of photons? Therefore, energy of n photons per second is equal to small n multiplied by this number 6.626, okay. So 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 640 into 10 power minus 9, okay. So this is a joule per second. This is a joule per second, because this is the number of photons emitted per second. So left side I am going to equate this to the power, okay. So this also can be left side. Now power I can substitute. So in place of power, 50 into 10 power minus 3 I will write. So 50 into 10 power minus 3 on the left side. So this is equal to n into the same numbers, okay, 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 640 into 10 power minus 9. So the only unknown quantity is the n. So I will take n. Therefore n is equal to, this n must be equal to, I will bring the 640 and multiply with the 50. So 50 into 10 power minus 3 into 640 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 power 8. So after this, let us multiply this using the calculator, okay. So this 64 into 5 I will multiply. This 64 or 640 into 50 directly. 640 into 50. So this is equal to 32,000 is coming. So 32 into 10 power 3 multiplied by this 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 9. So the numerator I have multiplied 50 into 640 is 32,000 is coming. Okay, now this 10 power 3 and 10 power minus 3 get cancelled. Divided by denominator 6.63, I will round it off. Okay, 6.63. So 6.63 multiplied by 3, and that is equal to 19.89. So this is 19.89 multiplied by, now positive powers of 8 and negative powers minus 34 are there, so that this will become minus, okay, 10 to the power of minus 26. Okay, now this ratio 32 divided by 19.89. So 32 divided by 19.89. So this is equal to 1.60. So this is equal to 1.60. This ratio 32 by 19.89. Okay, into this 10 power minus 26 is coming up as 10 power plus 26. So 26 minus 9. So this is a 10 power 17. This is 10 power 17 joule. Okay, so this is what joule. Now this is the required answer per second. Okay, this is not joule, this is the number of photons, therefore it is a number of photons per second. So the required answer is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 17 per second. In 1 second, this many number of photons are getting emanated. Emanating means, what is the meaning of the word? I will tell you. Emanating means from any metal surface coming perpendicular to it. That is the meaning of the word emanate. Ejected perpendicular to any surface. So 1.6 into 10 power 17 photons are ejected in 1 second. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.